guys, and hope doing well. Today I'm talking about putting the electronic components or electronic circuits into the resin. So we need some items to do this project. At first, just look at the resin pots. Some items like this bar graph, you can see the circuit is put inside the plastic cover, or for example this IC is covered by resin, and several items every day you can see that they are potted with the resin. So this is my Arduino Pro Mini, is also covered with resin. It is very protect and very stable project. With this I used and I designed one USB pin and antenna, also two buzzer and two LED. You can see the project all are inside to the resin, and it is very stable and is waterproof. It is very protect against the electrostatic and electromagnetic fields. You can see it is exactly fixed and very nice project. Okay, to do this we need some item. At first we need resin. The second thing we need the hardner, and the last item is the accelerator. Very good. So at first, to do this project we should know the capacity of the project that we are going to put into the resin. For example, I use this cola bottle as the project place. Very good. At first I add a little bit resin into the bottle like this. Very good. It is good enough. Okay, the next step is the accelerator. Before going for the hardner, is much better to mix the accelerator like this. This is purple color accelerator, so because of this is from the cobalt family, and this is the reason that the color is purple. So the 2% or till 4% hardner is good enough for the resin hardner, and for the accelerator also the 3-4 taps is good enough for the accelerating the clamping project. So very well, I'm going to add a little bit accelerator into the solution like this. Then we need some time to mix it exactly to each other. I'm doing this. Very nice. If you need any color for this solution, is much better to add a little bit color to the resin for this step, because of after adding the hardner is very hard to change the color. So it is by default, and normally the color is a little bit like the purple. Very good. This is the pink one. It's ready for the hardner solution. Very good. The catalyzer, the hardner is, it is not too expensive, it's easy to find. The 2 till 4% is good enough for the project. So I'm adding the hardner into the solution. Very well. Take care of your eyes and skin, because of the chemical maybe make problem for your skin or for your eyes. Don't forget to use glass. If you don't have it, any chemical protection glass, use this sunglass or something. Very nice. This is the white solution, and it is ready to add to the cover that we are going to put into the resin. So the question is, after this step, the room temperature should be more than 15 centigrade degree. If the temperature going below than 15 degrees, it will not be going to clamp, and the clamping 100% dependent to the heat power. And also I believe that 25 or room temperature is very well for this step to clamping the project. And also something like 2 hours this solution will be like a stone, and everything will be finished. So the question is inductivity of this resin. I should say that it will not make problem for any electronic component. Just the LED and the buzzer should be outside of the solution, because of if the buzzer or LED going inside the solution, we will not hear or listen to the song coming from the buzzer or the light coming from the LED. Very well, it's ready. It's much better to add the solution to the project that you have with the paper cover. Then after fixing this, we can easily remove the paper cover, or also we can use the aluminum foil. Wait a minute, I will bring my project to add the solution into the electronic component that I'm going to put. Wait a minute. Very nice. I'm at the resin to the fluorescent starter device like this, because of when it is floating into the place with to the plastic cover, sometimes coming get some noise, and it when shaking something interlace inside to the plastic cover. And when we are going to put the resin inside the starter, then the noise will be off, and easily we can put the device into the fluorescent lighting device. So I'm adding gently the solution to the plastic cover. It is a little bit hot. Very good.